Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Omnisend checkout integrations step by step clearly. To authenticate with Omnisend checkout integrations, start by logging into your Omnisend account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Integrations tab on the left-hand side menu. Click on the Integrations tab to view available options. In the Integrations section, search for the checkout platform you wish to integrate. Select the desired checkout integration from the list. You will now see an overview of the integration details. Look for the Authenticate button and click on it. A new window will pop up prompting you to enter your account credentials for the checkout platform. Fill in the required fields with your username and password. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected back to the Omnisend integrations page. Here, you will see a confirmation message indicating successful authentication. Review any additional settings or preferences available for the integration. Customize these settings as needed for your business requirements. Once you have configured the settings, scroll down and click on the Save button. Your Omnisend checkout integration is now successfully authenticated. You can test the integration by performing a test transaction through your checkout platform. Monitor the results in your Omnisend dashboard to ensure data is flowing correctly. If any issues arise, revisit the integration settings to troubleshoot. Make sure to check your account permissions and settings if authentication fails. With your integration now complete, you're ready to enhance your marketing efforts using Omnisend. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.